Imagine the future of cryptocurrency. How does it look? Bright and promising or fraught with uncertainty? Now consider a company like Celsius, once teetering on the edge of bankruptcy, now making a comeback in the crypto space. Intriguing, isn't it? In the not-so-distant past, Celsius Network LLC, or as we know it, Celsius, found itself grappling with bankruptcy. This wasn't just any bankruptcy. Celsius was on the brink, embroiled in complex legal issues, under the watchful eye of regulatory investigations and trying to build consensus among a wide range of stakeholders. It was a daunting task, one that would test the mettle of even the most resilient companies. But Celsius was not a company to back down. After a grueling 18-month process, the company emerged victorious from its bankruptcy woes. The date? November 9, 2023. Celsius had successfully completed the transactions under its confirmed plan of reorganization, a plan that was overwhelmingly approved by approximately 98% of the company's account holders. Confirmed by the bankruptcy court for the Southern District of New York, this marked a significant milestone for Celsius. But what does this emergence mean for the world of cryptocurrency? Simply put, it means the distribution of over $3 billion of cryptocurrency and fiat to Celsius's creditors. It means the creation of a new Bitcoin mining company, Ionic Digital Inc., owned by Celsius's creditors. And it means the management of mining operations by Hut 8 Corp., a prominent player in the crypto space. In summary, the story of Celsius is one of resilience and innovation. From the brink of bankruptcy to the distribution of over $3 billion of cryptocurrency, Celsius has made a comeback that will not soon be forgotten. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency industry, proving that even in the face of adversity, there's always room for growth and progress. So the next time you contemplate the future of cryptocurrency, remember the story of Celsius, a company that turned its fate around, paving the way for a new era in the crypto world. It's a story that will continue to inspire and intrigue us as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency.